What separates a modern fleet from everyone else? Surprisingly, it's not the buses. It's what happens after they return to the depot. Today, I'll share the 3 lessons we've learned from modern fleet operations that completely change the way we design automatic bus wash systems. If you're responsible for a fleet of buses, coaches, or commercial vehicles, stay with me until the end, because the 3rd lesson is the one most operators underestimate. Yet, it has the biggest impact on long-term operating costs. Most people believe a bus wash system is simply a machine that cleans vehicles. But after working with transport companies and studying how modern fleet depots operate, we realized that successful operators don't invest in automation just to make vehicles look clean. They invest because every part of their operation is connected. A vehicle that returns from service needs to be cleaned quickly, consistently, and be ready for its next schedule without creating delays. That was the first lesson we learned. Every minute matters. A slow washing process doesn't just waste time. It affects vehicle availability, scheduling, labor efficiency, and ultimately the profitability of the entire fleet. That's why our systems are designed to keep vehicles moving instead of waiting. The second lesson is consistency. Manual washing depends on who is working, how experienced they are, and even how tired they are at the end of the day. The result is often different from one vehicle to another. Modern fleet operators don't accept inconsistency because their brand image depends on every vehicle looking professional before it returns to the road. An automatic wash system creates the same cleaning process every single time, helping operators maintain a professional fleet appearance without relying on different levels of manual performance. The 3rd lesson is the one many companies overlook. Automation isn't really about replacing people. It's about allowing people to focus on higher value tasks while the repetitive work is handled by a reliable system. As fleets continue to grow, finding and managing labor becomes more challenging in many countries. Modern companies understand that investing in automation today is often easier than solving labor shortages tomorrow. That's why automatic washing has become part of long-term operational planning rather than just another piece of equipment. At Go&Go, these 3 lessons influence every commercial wash system we develop. We don't begin by asking how to build a bigger machine. We begin by asking how to help fleet operators improve efficiency, maintain consistent cleaning quality, and support daily operations as their business grows. Because at the end of the day, a professional bus wash system isn't measured by how much water it sprays or how fast the brushes rotate. It's measured by how smoothly your entire operation runs because of it. If your company operates buses, coaches, airport shuttles, or commercial fleets, and you're planning to modernize your washing process, we'd love to learn more about your operation. Tell us how many vehicles you manage and what challenges you're facing today. Our team at Go&Go will help you evaluate the most suitable solution for your fleet, because every successful transport business deserves a washing system that's built around the way it actually operates. How many buses or commercial vehicles does your company operate? Leave a comment below or contact Go&Go directly. We'd be happy to discuss the right solution.